Up until recently, the small heads of stone and terracotta figurines provided the best indication of how the Neolithic temple builders might have looked like. However, this has changed drastically with the presentation of cutting-edge research on a well-preserved skull of a female aged between 25 and 40 who lived in Gozo over 5,000 years ago. Her skull was buried amongst hundreds of others at the Shara Circle Hypogeum, an important prehistoric burial site that has yielded a treasure in terms of archaeological finds. In 2013, Heritage Malta commissioned a 3D facial reconstruction based on the skull. And the results can now be enjoyed at the Ġgantija Temple's Interpretation Center. This exercise, which was the first of its kind in Malta, provided a new dimension into the study and interpretation of local prehistory. The creation of this virtual encounter with an early ancestor provided a tangible link with the early Neolithic temple builders, and one that went far beyond the simple interpretation of objects and structural remains.
Ensuring a future to our past.